greetings all, and yeah, we're off from the sunrise one, and I'm going to talk a little bit about learning and what I've found of one of the best ways to learn photography and one of the best ways to get some inspiration. Well, I'm going to say I'm not going to be out too long because I've got a bit of rain coming in, which is, I think you can see the rain clouds over there. I'm taking a bit of a chance here. Fingers crossed. It's one of the best ways to when you're starting out, but not just when you're starting out, even when you're a bit more of an amateur and a bit more confident, is to join some social media groups that are into photography in your local area. And I mean, where I am in Swanage here, we've got the Swanage and Perfect Photography group, and there's also one for the Dorset Echo. They've got a photography group. And the beauty about that one, which is really good especially when you learn, you get a lot of people posting the pictures and that on, but they also appear in the paper as well, which is really good because it gets other people seeing your work on a larger scale than just in the paper. I've had a few been printed in there before, and it's quite pleasing and rewarding actually. Lovely colours over there. Oh yes, it's going to be a nice one. There's a guy fishing. You can see if we can get him into shot. He's literally, if we can get him, just about there. Well, he's either fishing or he's yeah, piddling in the sea. The first one, ISO 400. F14 and an eighth of a second. So yeah, join photography groups is a real good start. The thing is, because you're going to get to meet new people as well, and go out with them on photo shoots and things like this, because when you meet other photographers, this is where the learning really takes a massive leap forward, because you can talk to them, you can watch them, you can get some good ideas, and if you're sort of struggling with something, ask them, because they're going to help. And that is a really massive part of learning, is asking for the help. And don't be afraid to do it. Because if you want to learn and you want to improve yourself, it's a good way to do it. Yeah, not too sure about this one. Basically all I've done with it is the horizon is on the top third of the shot. And I've actually focused in on the actual guy that's still standing out there fishing, with this walkway It's not a walkway, but it looks like one. It's the walkway from the lower left leading in. You can't really, I can just about see the Isle of Wight over there, and I don't think you're going to see it very well on here, but I was hoping the sun would be a little bit more over to give a bit more of an orange, but I don't think it's going to happen. And the thing as well is you also meet new people, and this is really key because, I mean, I've met a few people obviously who watch this channel. Marcus, I've met Peter, and even met John and Karen, who I call the Candy Crush Queen, by the way. And the thing is, I only met them I was about a week or two ago now. But the thing is you're making some real good friends, and it was real nice to actually meet John and Karen because. I mean, I follow John on his channel as well. Actually, I'll leave a link below for that one, and because he does quite a lot of photography stuff, and he does reviews, and he also does like video logging of around the Dorset area, and it's fantastic. But this is what I'm trying to say, is that you meet new people. I'm going to say, I don't think I've ever seen it this calm down here before. It's so smooth. Well, certainly won't be doing any long exposure, trying to ghost it out today, that's for sure. But anyway, moving on, just going to wait for the sun to rise a little bit. Compose my next shot ready, just going to wait for the sun to rise a little bit more. And it's, what time are we now? 10 to 5, sunrise is dead on 5 o'clock. Oh, so there we go, it's not really a spectacular morning, but got me up at 4 o'clock this morning. Bloody silly time. I don't know why I do it to myself. I've been working on a nice little skit of a video, and it's basically all landscape photographers have done this, and I think something that they can relate to, and that's coming up. It's one of the reasons why it's took me so long to get out and about and do this, and also, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to do a pano down here today, was stitching these together in Lightroom. I was saying Lightroom, in Photoshop. So that's all coming up. Oh, just look at that. Oh, do you know what? That just does not get boring. Well, thanks for joining me anyway, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.